yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. Does anybody have any Grey Poupon for the legendary Sadie's Boys? I said the Sadie's Boys are in the building, ready to act a bona fide fool like only a Mercedes-Benz driver can do. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Sadie's Boys down? Or will the Sadie's Boys take that Grey Poupon and smear it all over the devil's face and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister like only the Sadie's Boys can do it. Where is this at? TS. I don't know where this is. Oh, there you go, right there. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my classy toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Gone. Officer Jessica Dubba is chasing him. And she already got that thing to 102 miles an hour. Okay. Let's go, Jessica. Let's see what you can do. Let's see if you got some woman power. Man, he flying in that Mercedes. That thing way up there already. He already making a turn. She at 121, 23. That motor's screaming. It's screaming for a tune-up. I see him up there switching lanes. Y'all see him up there? He in the right lane, far right lane.
Dude, what are you doing?
He trying to get out of your way, ma'am. He just a civilian. Calm down, meanie. I didn't see him get. Oh, there he go right there. He should have been got off the exit and turned. That boy running like Floyd Mayweather, running from the truth. You broke, Floyd. You spent $750 million. How did you spend $750 million? It's insane. I need you to explain this. Werewolf Pack, how did he blow $750 million? How did Floyd blow $750? What happened? The motor sound like it's knocking a little bit. Her motor sound like it's knocking. It's two people in this cop car, y'all. She got a partner as well. Is that him? I know you lying. I know you lying. What is he doing? Look like an S550 from the back lights. Is that an S550? That's a big body. Big body rolling on dubs. Big musty. You know, you always had that one dude in the hood, big, stankin' and musty all the time, but you needed him on your team just in case a fight broke out. He moving in that boy. He whipping them turns. I don't see how he can't get away. I know the S550 come with a V8, right? How come he can't pull away like he should? Well, it is a big body. Hold on. It is a big body. Okay, there you go. Now he pulling away. He got on that straightaway. Yeah, he definitely pulling away. Go, Speed Racer! Go, Speed Racer! Go! Oh, they about to bring out the spike strips. Upper left corner, y'all. He bringing out the spike strips. He built like a spike strip of donuts. Look at him. Look at him. Get the spikes out of there, big boy. Chunky. Look at him. Man, that was the worst spike strip I ever seen. Did he get him? I think he might have hit one of the tires. I think he got him though.
Cutting through the parking lot here.
He going off road. Okay, Sadie's Boys. He going off road. Let's do it. Whatever it takes to get away. Is that the water company? Look at him.
He looks like he's gonna come back out on him, bastard.
Is he going back out? He said he's going back out to the highway. I mean the road. I said the highway. Look at me in the semi, y'all. That's me in the semi. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm being nosy. Get on down the road, T-Light. Ah! Oh, there he go, coming out.
And we're southbound and bastard.
What are you doing? He going off road again?
Going to the parking lot of the Hilton on the south side.
He meant 2 of his tires is out.
Tires are out.
Both passenger sides. Look at that, y'all. Oh, man, he almost hit that Honda Civic.
Again.
Is those both Honda Civics?
48 if you want to go on the north side of the hotel here.
My boy went off road again. He pushing that Mercedes to the limits. Push it to the limits.
He's on the northwest side, guys. He's probably going to try to take off a foot.
Who sing that song, Push It to the Limits? That's what he listening to. That's what he listening to right now. Push it to the limits. That Mercedes is getting pushed to the limits, man. Do Mercedes make any off-road vehicle? I don't think they make any off-road vehicles, do they?
Northwest side, guys, in the field.
Am I tripping? I don't think Mercedes makes any off-road vehicles. I could be wrong. I know they don't make no off-road sedans. Where'd he go? It's another parking lot. Oh, he's off-roaded again? Look, we got Chunky Boy. Donut Thrasher on him.
Vehicle's wrecked out.
Oh, he wrecked out? They're gonna, whoa, he pushed that car to the limits.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Let's see what it is, y'all.
Get on the ground! Do not move!
I can't see him yet, y'all. Who is it, y'all? Let's take a guess. Is it a Pookie? Oh, it's a Chad Ookie. Y'all thought it was the Pookster. It's a Chad Ookie. It's a white Pookie, y'all. A Chad Ookie. Y'all didn't get us this time. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't believe anything you say right now, man.
Yes, ma'am.
That was stupid, bud.
Y'all got fatigue? Where's the fatigue at? Look what he did to that Mercedes, man. He beat that Mercedes to snot. He beat that Mercedes into submission.
Vehicle's clear.
Got it.
That Mercedes is dead.
No weapons. I understand.
Y'all thought it was the Pookster. Y'all thought it was the original Pookie. No, it's a Chaduki.
No license warrant.
Which Hilton are you guys going to be on?
Northwest side of the Hilton. Read these up, Chief.
I want to see what he looked like.
Go this way.
I never seen nobody beat a Mercedes to submission like this. Never.
Put it in my backpack.
Yep.
I want to see what he looked like.
Are there any lighters or anything in your backpack, bud?
Possibly. Do you mind if I call my girlfriend before I get off?
No,
Did he
I
get?
don't.
Hold on. Did he get out the car and take his backpack with him? Treacherous. Oh no! The whole top missing. I didn't mean to get him like that, man, but the whole top missing, man. Cut the sides off, baby. Cut the sides off, baby. You ain't got no top, man. You might as well knock the sides off too, man. Go ahead, go ball head. 187. We got ourselves a middle-aged Chaduki. Bond was set at $150,000 with 10% cash. No bond was posted, so driver was held in custody pending trial. This happened September 25th. I said September. Actually, September 2025. Driver pled guilty to aggravated fleeing as stop or detention. Oh, he was drunk. He was gone. He was going off that dookie juice. He was going off the dookie juice, y'all.
He said he spent 30 days, 1 year count. Then he got 30 days for count 2. All counts ran concurrent. Credit given for 225 days. He was out within he probably did 3 months. He did about 3 months in jail, y'all. He did about 3 months. We got ourselves a Chad Uki. Meet me in the comments. Never in my life have I seen somebody push a Mercedes-Benz to the limits like this guy did. This guy pushed that S550 to the limits. I never saw anybody push. Well, I did see a 300. We saw a 300 push a 300 all the way to the limits. It caught on fire. He pushed it so hard. This one, he pushed it so hard it couldn't go no more. Shout out to the Mercedes boys. Listen, although he did get captured, he did what he had to do. We got to give him credit. He pushed the car to the limits. He pushed that car till it couldn't go no more. That's how you run. If you going to run, you got to run till the car can't go no more. Only thing is, he couldn't run. He got out the car and he didn't have no air. He didn't have no oxygen. His lungs, he didn't have no wind. He didn't have no stamina. The car did all what it was supposed to do. He didn't do what he was supposed to do because he was out of shape. He grabbed his bag, and when it was time to get footy, he let him down. He let us down. So, Mercedes boys, we're not going to blame the car. It was definitely not the car. The car did more than it was supposed to do. It overworked itself. It pushed itself to it couldn't push itself no more. Big shout out to the Mercedes boys. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed this police chase because it was definitely a wild one. He definitely pushed that machine to the limits. Big shout out to all the Sadians. Now, I don't know what y'all think. Are y'all going to keep this guy on the team? Are you going to get rid of him or are you going to keep him? I mean, I think he did a good job. I just think the car could not handle no more. He did what he was supposed to do as far as pushing the car. Now, as far as sealing the deal, finishing it, that's up to y'all, though, because I'm not a Mercedes boy. Disgusting. But with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I said like, comment, and subscribe. And if you can find it in your heart, I said your heart. I know some of y'all hearts is cold as ice. But if you can find it in your heart to give me a couple of those hype points, it will be much, much appreciated. Because you know what? I love you, Werewolf Pack. I want to see you do great things. And I'm so thankful for the love that y'all show me. But with that being said, I'm going to leave y'all with some positivity. You got to stop living for others. Listen here. I know. Some of y'all got the burden that you got to be the leader of the family and you got to take care of everything and everybody looks to you for guidance. And let me see, nobody else going to say it sucks because you shouldn't have to be the leader of the family, take care of everything, be the one that's always got to have a job so you can loan money to everybody, be that rock to everybody when deep down inside, you hurting, you going through some mental things. I know the feeling because I've had to be the person. I've had to be that person for a long time. It gets tiring sometimes. Sometimes you be like, damn, man, why does it always fall on me? But it is what it is, man. Sometimes we just dealt with some crazy cards. But listen, you got to take care of yourself first. Stop putting others ahead of you. You got to stop doing that. That's the first thing you got to stop doing because that's stressing you all the way out. And listen, stress kills. Yeah, I know you don't want, stress can take your life. If you you give yourself a heart attack. And we don't want that. I'm going to need for you to start looking out for yourself. I know the family always needs you, but you need a break too. Sometimes you got to let the family figure it out. Y'all got to figure it out for a little while because I need a break. It's okay to take a break. Get your mind right. Get your mind. I know you big, you bad, you unstoppable, you the man or the woman of the family, but listen, mental health is real. Give yourself a break. You'll thank me later. Give yourself a break. I don't care if it's take yourself to your room, close the door, and get you a good nap. Whatever it takes, but get yourself right. But with that being said, we don't condone running from the boys in blue. We want you to stop. I want you to stop, Musty. Can you please stop running, dookie mouth? Stop running. Just take the ticket and live freely for another day. Or you could be like this guy and get a year in jail for doing something stupid. But and there's always a but. If you are going to decide to run and you need a great vehicle to do it. I just showed you an S550. Get nasty with it. You might want to get to your nearest used car lot, preferably a foreign car lot, and get your S550. And if you're going to run in an S550, make sure you do what? Push it to the limits.